This is the moment. It's Archer to Guptill. 2 to win. Guptill's going to push for 2. They've got to go. It's got throws, got to go to the keeper's end. He's got it. England have won the World Cup by the barest of margins. By the barest of all margins. Absolute ecstasy for England. Agony. Agony for New Zealand. Wow. It's all yours, Nasser. It's your cup.
Unbelievable. You've got to feel for New Zealand. Look at them. You just cannot believe it, but England have deserved it. It came down to one bit of fielding after 7 weeks. Could he get back for 2? Could the throw come in? It did. Could Butler get it back to the stumps on time? New Zealand might have lost the game, but cricket has definitely been the winner here this evening.
ICC World Cup champions 2019 for the first time, England!